The experiment is to analyze the use of an amplifier to increase the sensitivity of analyzer, say a CRO in question. We connected a CRO to one of the probes, the low sensitivity probes, and we have connected the emission reference source to another medium sensitivity probe. Now you observe, when we bring the probes on top of each other in a coaxial fashion, what happens is that on the CRO we are able to pick up a signal level which is approximately 100 millivolts peak to peak. We have set the signal source as 10 megahertz. The time base is 100 nanosecond per division, and the vertical amplitude is 50 millivolts per division. The signal being displayed right now is roughly of the order of 75 to 80 millivolts per division, total peak to peak. Now you observe, when I connect a preamplifier in the path of the probe, what happens? I connect the output of the preamplifier to the CRO, and I connect the input of the preamplifier to the probe. Now when I connect the two on top of each other, you see that the signal level has increased considerably. The signal level right now being displayed is over 4 volts peak to peak. I presume that it is the clipping of the signal at the output of the preamplifier, because right now it is being overdriven. We are expecting a gain of about 100 times, so 100 millivolts should give us about 10 millivolts peak to peak at the output of the preamplifier. This thing right now is being overdriven. We need to keep the level at the input of the preamplifier below 10 millivolts for best operation of the preamplifier. So we've seen that the preamplifier can be used to increase the sensitivity of a CRO. This has a very high bandwidth of about 3 gigahertz. So any CROs with 100 megahertz, 200 megahertz bandwidth, the sensitivity of the CRO can be increased, and its use be enhanced for EMI EMC applications.